My gosh. I don't even know why I feel so nervous, but okay. Hola, mis amigas. Hello, and welcome back to another video. It's been years, I feel like. It's been a long time. Aquí las encuentro en el baño. But you know what? I was telling myself throughout today, I was like, you know what? I feel like something in me is missing. Like, I don't know what's missing. Well, I do know what's missing, but let me just kind of explain that a little bit. But all these months and days and times that the days have been passing by, I feel like something has been missing, and I'm just like, what the heck is it? And I was like, you know what? I know what it is. And so those of you that have been following me for such a long time, I truly appreciate you guys. And let me just say that I miss doing these videos here and cleaning for you guys, sharing anything that I like to post for you guys that you guys want to see and stuff like that. And I was like, what the heck? Like, a part of me is like missing. Like, I enjoy doing these things for you guys. I enjoy filming for you guys and showing you guys what I do throughout the day, whatever the case is, because little things matter and all that stuff. I was looking through my phone, through the YouTube app, and I was like, oh my gosh, I really miss this. So I was looking at the summer video, like the summer decluttering my closet cleaning organization, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I miss doing these kinds of videos for you guys. Like, I don't know what has been going through my head, like why I even stopped, to be honest. Like, I have no idea. And I don't know. And those that have las que me han preguntado, like, where have I been and stuff like that. I mean, I've been here, you know, but lately, I'm going to be honest with you guys, and I'm going to make an excuse, but life happens and life goes, and it's just like a mixed emotions, and it's like a roller coaster. Right now for me, I know I'm not really that open with you guys, but the little I can say is that my life has been like literally like in a roller coaster. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, I don't want to get into detail because I feel like, you know, my channel is not like personal, you know what I mean, like personal stuff, but I will mention with you guys like little small things here and there. But that's all I can say right now, and I'm not saying that's an excuse. So stop doing anything that you like in your life, to just stop it completely. No, sometimes in life you need to like slow down and think stuff thoroughly before you start going fast, if that makes sense. And just kind of realizing the things that you're doing now, living the present and stuff like that. And like I said, mis amigas, like, you guys continue what you guys are doing. I'm not saying stop what you're doing, no, but you know, people are different, people manage things differently, and here I am trying to figure things out. And those that know me know exactly what I'm talking about. And but yeah, mis amigas, like I said, I was going off topic there. But yeah, thank you for hearing me out. But like I said, estaba viendo el video, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I really miss doing this. I seriously miss doing this. Like, I seriously, like, hold on, I should turn up the volume. But you know, here I am. Hopefully it's not copyright because it's just me, my video, whatever. But I will be posting the link down below in the section. That way you guys can go check it out. But I'm just literally cleaning the closet, my closet. And I was like, what am I waiting for? Like, what has been taking me so long to turn on the camera and film for you guys? Like, what in the heck? But here I am. So welcome to another video. I'm just super excited to be here. You guys have no idea. No idea. Like, you know, when there's something in life that you love to do and you enjoy doing, and once you stop, it's kind of like some, you know what I mean? Like, something is missing. Like, I don't know. I can't even express how I felt, but you know, I have to keep going. I have to, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for being here and supporting me here. And if you guys haven't already, go subscribe to my channel, click that subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends and family. Let's build this familia again, because those of you are still waiting for videos like these, and you guys make my day. You guys have no idea. You guys are like my family, my little community that we're building together. And like I said, I have time right now to clean that closet, because I was looking at the closet right now and I was like, you know what, I got inspired doing my own thing. And that's okay. That's a really okay thing to do. And like I said, I'm gonna just go ahead and change, because I have like I'm in a big t-shirt, literally a big t-shirt. I don't even know. And like I have sweats. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have sweats and my plantufas. But I don't know, maybe I'll just stay like this because it's really cold outside. It has been the coldest day today since fall is kind of coming back, I guess. And yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna see if you guys see me like this. Bear with me, mis amigas. Just come with me, relax, sit back and relax and enjoy this video, because it is cold in here. It's super cold, and I don't know. So we'll see, mis amigas. Maybe I'll leave this shirt on. I know like tees are like in right now. Mine's just like a Winnie the Pooh shirt. But yeah, like I said, mis amigas, welcome back to my channel, and let's get to work. Because I have a lot of things that I want to share with you guys. Well, I have to do a lot of things right now in my closet, because I have to reorganize, get things out of the way, donate some stuff, and move things around, because it's been crazy. It's been chaos. And yeah, so yeah, like I said, mis amigas, thank you guys so much for coming back. And let's get to it, because my lips are getting so dry. Okay, mis amigas, so aquí me encuentro. I'm right here in my closet, or not in my closet, but my closet. If you guys can see, es un desastre. And before I get into it, I kind of want to share with you guys the before and after, and see how it kind of looks like and stuff like that. Ow, there's something in my back. It's like, ugh, okay. Anyways, so sorry if you guys see a glare through my glasses. There's like a big window right in front of me, and I just don't know where to like pose. But anyways, so here is my closet, and las que saben, mis amigas, like my closet has no door, like no door. Like I have no idea why, but I think it's just because of the layout of this room, I guess. Like in the bathroom that I was in right now too has no door. I mean, there's a door by the toilet, whatever, but you know what I mean? Like there's no door to cover the room, I guess, to close down the room, whatever. But yeah, so like I said, this is my closet, and let me go ahead and get you guys in there para que vean el desastre, and para que vean que I am not lying to you guys. This closet needs a lot of help. All right, mis amigas. Okay, so this is my closet. It's quite spacious, as you guys can see. There's a lot of room, and it's a walk-in closet, obviously. But I feel like everything is disorganized, such as, like, this stuff is great, but like when I come back here, hold on. Okay, so when I come back here, it's just like really organized. I mean, sorry, not organized, scratch that. It's really unorganized, and this stuff needs to be hung. And there's pretty much probably maybe some pantalones there que ya ni me quedan that need to go. And then over here, I'm gonna just leave it as is, just kind of like, just leave it as is, because this stuff right here is stuff that I am actually selling online. So these are puros pantalones and some random accessories, and then those are my stands for so when I videotape, when I film for you guys, I have a ring light that I got that I never use, and this one is for my phone, so when I do reels for you guys and stuff like that, those are great. And these are all of my bags. These bags are a keep, but I just don't like how they're just like on the floor, but I don't know where else to put them. And back there, there's more accessories and stuff like that that I'm selling online. And yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and go through stuff, organize the zapatos because they're a hot mess. They can go into the shelving and stuff like that. But other than that, it's really not that bad, mis amigas. But I feel like I can bring you guys in here and I can show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Stuff that I'm going to even, if you guys see that so many things hung up, and I don't even use these stuff, mis amigas, but like I said, I do have a Poshmark closet, so I like to just sell my things in there. And if you guys do have the same, if you guys have a lot of clothing accessories, shoes and bags and stuff like that, I recommend you guys going to making a Poshmark closet and just putting in your stuff, because it sells, and money is money, and you can make a little bit of money. Okay, so the closet is looking beautiful, mis amigas. It's kind of matter of fact of just like putting things away and hanging things here and there in my closet. Ya recogí todos los zapatos. And actually, mis amigas, I was able to vacuum inside here this morning, so I don't need to be doing that today. And like I said, I need like some sort of like step stool for this closet, or you know what, just in general, this house is really tall for me and my family too, because we're short. But I'm usually like the one that's kind of like reaching and organizing and moving things here and there. And so yeah, just getting off topic there, but here in this closet in specific, I wish I had a step stool here. I do have one that I use like throughout the kitchen and stuff like that in my other closet over there in the hallway. But yeah, I don't know what you guys are probably thinking. Just use it and bring it here when you need it to. But you know, I don't know what it is, but there's like so many things up there that I'm just like, I can't even reach them. I mean, I can reach them, but it just brings it just a hassle just to put them back up and stuff like that. So I did clean my closet, okay, mis amigas. It's fully great. It looks beautiful. And let me go ahead and share with you guys what it looks like. All right, so here are the shoes. I went ahead and I don't know if you guys seen this, but I've had this for a long time. This bamboo shoe rack. I love it. It's great. I believe I got that one on Amazon. I'm gonna post a link on my bio section if you guys are interested. It just looks a very clean and natural look. I just love it so much. And then over here I have a smaller one. That one was my daughter's when she was much smaller, and I was like, you know what, I need it. because I have a ton of shoes and I only wear like one pair. But you girls know what I'm talking about. And over here I have like my summer high heels and stuff like that, and I have these boots here that I only wore last year, but I got them on sale last year for Black Friday. They're great. But anyway, so yeah, these are what it looks like here, and I just kind of kept the bolsas down there, and then those obviously, like I said, we're gonna stay. And then up here, obviously, because there's a bunch of chamarras here that I'm gonna be posting online on Macari. For example, I think like this Nike one, I don't even know what this material is called, but it's like that. Can you guys hear it? That material. But yeah, like that one and another one that I'm just like, yeah, it needs to go because I don't even wear these. Like this one and stuff like that. And then winter is coming, so I'm like, they're perfect timing to post. And over here, I have all of my sweaters, my pantalones that I thought I was going to get rid of, but no, I don't have a lot. So yeah. And then over here, you guys kind of saw me organize this little section right here. I have more bags there. And I'm not kidding you, mis amigas, I only use this bag right here. My sister gifted this one, and it's like one of my favorites of all time. It's just spacious. And I recently got this one too from Lululemon. It's beautiful. I love it. It looks huge in camera, but it's not, mis amigas. I love it. It's beautiful. I love, love, love. I made a reel out of that. So go check out my Instagram. So yeah, like I said, this is it, mis amigas. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And over here on this side, I just took out things that were dirty and things I need to get put away, find the home for it and stuff like that. And those shoes también need to go. These hurt my feet. So yeah, laundry, they don't fit, and then things that have to be put away. So yeah, that's that.